Good morning, friends. My name is Bhavna Chaudhary, and I'm making this video because I'm planning to make interview skills to improve the interview skills and communication skills to C1 level. Right. So we work. I'm starting from today onwards. It's a 40 days challenge to improve your communication skills. Right. So in this session, yeah, in this 40 days, we work on com skills through written, through verbal, right, through reading, writing, listening, everything, every part we cover in this. And also the main topic in today's topic, that is artificial intelligence. Yeah, myself Bhavna Chaudhary, and I have total work experience around 10 years in customer service. I work in a different organization, Amazon, MetLife, Wipro, Tech Mahindra, so many companies I work, right? So as per my experience, or even also I'll try in a different companies. The one barrier which are coming in today's we can say today's candidate, that communication skills, right? They everyone want fluency, not a feeling in them. So I'm making a challenge. I'm taking a challenge of 40 days that I'll need to work upon it and also help the others. Those are looking to change the job, but they're not able to do that because their com skills are not that much good, right? So I don't know if I completed this challenge, or might be it not be the on the path, might be it not the destination which I actually want, to the C1 level, so which is very high level fluent English. But we need to start from very first day so that we'll get something improvement in us, right? And if we think that we can start from tomorrow, maybe day after tomorrow, maybe on Monday morning, so the time will never come, right? We need to take action from today, and every day we need to do some improvements in ourselves, right? So through this video I just want to say, I want to share from you, I want to share to you guys that in from today, it's 11th July, right? Every day i I post one video, right? So, and when for in video I'll share some vocabularies, some autobiography, and also the listening and the TED shows, right? and and also and and also some create some tricks, right? So it's an ongoing part. So today is the very first day. So this is an introduction for myself, right? And if you want to join me, then you can subscribe me or to my channel, and also share your ideas so that we can improve better, right? This is something that I really want to make, so that we'll get a so that we get to improve ourselves, right? I'm making this video not because of for me, not because for me, it's for you guys also, right? And I also want to track from day 0 to day 40, right? So, and in this 40 days I just want that we can cover the degree and student degree, what we can say, the bachelor's degree is important for us, or the experience important for us, which is the worth, is the degree is worth or the experience is worth in today's life. And apart from this we also discuss about artificial intelligence, right? Because it is upcoming, not upcoming, and ongoing career part in today's life, right? So there is one LinkedIn, we can say LinkedIn creator. Her name is Dhairya Gangwani. Yeah, Dhairya. She's very good LinkedIn creator, and she motivates me a lot, and she share daily basis AI updates and AI tools, AI prompts, and how we can use ChatGPT and other AI tools in a better way. So she share on daily basis the insights of that, right? And in this 40 days challenge, if you want to share something, you can comment it, right? And also mention your email ID. I'll contact you through emails. Okay, this is the only thing I want to share. So I need to complete this video. See you soon tomorrow. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye.